Hello Facebook. Hi everybody, Jamie here. It is Monday, June, what did it say? The 7th already, wow. Monday, June 7th, and I am back in the restaurant. Marcus and I went up to Elmira and watched Justin play baseball yesterday. I'm sure some of you who have already tuned in to our earlier Facebook Live, which was only about an hour ago, heard that Justin got to pitch last night. We got to see him pitch. It was really awesome to see him on the mound. He pitched really, really well, 6 up, 6 down. So that was really cool. They still lost the game, but he came in, it was 3-2. He came in the 7th and 8th inning, and they still lost 3-2, but it was fun to watch collegiate college baseball with awesome players, and that was really fun. So thanks everybody for joining. I am seeing people now logging in. We had an awesome day yesterday. We were out on Seneca Lake on a boat. That was fun. We went about 20 miles north on Seneca Lake, had lunch, then 20 miles back. So that was really fun. If anybody is interested in ever going out on Seneca Lake, we have an awesome person that can, I don't know if they rent boats or if they do boat stuff, but they have a marina, and we can put you in touch with them. So let's see. Thanks everybody for watching. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. This is going to be a quick Facebook Live. We do have a few tables available for tonight's wine dinner, and that wine dinner starts at 6:30. That is tonight. It is 2 Sauvignon Blancs and 2 blends, 2 Sauvignon Blancs from different parts of the world. It is 4 wines and a dish. The dish tonight is a Corvina tostada. So it will be a rice cracker with avocado, Corvina fish, and I'm not sure how Marcus is making it, but it sounds delicious. And that is on our wine dinner menu, and give us a call if you would like to join us for that. That is tonight, 6:30, outside in our garden. It is warm out there, so make sure you drink lots of water. Boy, the humidity went up quickly, and what a difference between last weekend, Memorial Day weekend, and this weekend. So I see some people joining. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up. The more comments you make in the comment, the more people that will be able to watch the Facebook Live, and it will populate for more people. So if you are watching me live, just leave a comment of where you're watching from. Leave me a comment, hashtag live. Leave me any comment if there's a drink you want to see me make. That would be awesome too. So thanks Thomas, thanks Mary, hello Tiffany, hello Gretchen. It is awesome to see everybody joining me today, and we appreciate all of your support and business, and we're very grateful. So let's see, $9.99 special this week is our shrimp scampi, served with rice and broccoli. $9.99 to go, our $34.99 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine. What a deal, what a deal, what a deal. That is available still. We are planning on having jazz on Saturday night in our garden at 6:30 with John Simon and the Greater Ellenville Jazz Trio, so I am excited about that. And that is it in terms of specials. Stay tuned for more stuff coming up. Hello Julia, hello Ralph. Thank you for watching me. So today I am going to make a grapefruit mojito. So I am going to start with fresh mint that I just picked out of our garden. Our mint, boy, with the rain last weekend, our mint popped up like crazy in our garden. So I'm just gonna break that up and put that into my glass right here. Oh wow, that mint smells delicious. I'm gonna put lots of mint in there. And then I am going to add some agave, a little agave to the bottom. I am going to muddle that with some limes. I'm going to grab some fresh limes and muddle that all together. I don't want too much lime in this because it's grapefruity, but I want a little bit of lime, and I want it muddled with the mint. And I'm going to add St. Elder Pamplemousse Pink Grapefruit Liqueur. You can use fresh grapefruit juice if you'd like. I like this pamplemousse, so I'm going to add about an ounce of that. I am going to add about 2 ounces of the rum, rum 44. This is our This is our well rum now, but this is from Mad River in Vermont. So I'm gonna add 2 ounces. I am going to mix that all up in there. I am going to put ice in my glass. And I am actually gonna top that off with a little soda and a drop of lemon lime. It's already going to be sweet from the grapefruit. And I would add some fresh grapefruit juice to it. I think it'll be really nice. I didn't get a chance to make any. I wanted to get on live so that you could see me. But there is my mojito. I am going to top it off with a little fresh mint leaf, just like that. And there you have it. So let's go ahead and taste it. Nice and refreshing. What a great drink to sit outside, enjoy on a hot, hot summer day like today. I guess we've skipped spring altogether and we're just going right into summer. It is June already, can you believe it? Colleges are out, schools are starting to finish up, graduation parties are starting to happen. We have a lot of catering events coming up and a lot of baseball for Justin. Don't forget our new business that we started, Your Car, Our Driver. Give Courtney a call. What's the number, Courtney? 272. Sorry, I got a phone call on my phone, so hopefully they'll call back. Cheers, everybody, and we will see you all soon. Thanks for watching.